triangle ABC. Listen, a triangle ABC is right angle at A. A triangle ABC is right angle at A. AL is drawn. AL is drawn perpendicular to BC. AL is drawn perpendicular to BC. AL is drawn perpendicular to BC. Prove that angle BAL. Prove that angle BAL equal to angle ACB. BAL equal to angle ACB. Okay. Can you try? First, you try yourself. BAL equal to angle ACB. Okay, you try. If not getting, I'll show here. Okay. I'll tell you that. Okay. I tell you that days and today I'll post it that. Okay. Tomorrow's test portion this week, what we did. You try this one. Okay, some guys maybe chance to get. You try. Okay. Okay, you got it. Okay, good. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay, finish now. Look at here. So here, come on. Question: a triangle ABC, right angle at A. This angle 90 degree. This angle perpendicular. We are sure that this equal to this one. Okay. I'm calling this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Our requirement is what? Our requirement is to prove 1 equal to 3. Correct or no? To show that 1 equal to 3. Okay. Now look at here. What about angle? Angle, this is the proof. Okay, you write given and angle BAC 90 degree. Correct or no? Given BAC 90 degree. So listen. Angle BAC 90 degree given. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 90 degree. Number 1. Agree or no? Angle 1 plus angle 2 90 degree. Then after that, don't write. I'll give the note. In triangle ALC, ALC, angle ALC, how much? This angle 90. What about 2 plus 3? Equal to 90. Correct? Correct or no? Because in triangle ALC, angle ALC 90, therefore 2 plus 3 also 90. Angles are property of a triangle. Equate angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. 2 cancel. So 1 equal to 3. Are you okay? Are you okay or not? Right? Okay, then right. Okay, you got or not? So send me that Vidya, that your method. Okay. Okay, those not getting hello right now. Right? Given. I'll give the complete note. It's a star question. Right. You mark it A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Yes, send it now. Okay. Right. Given in triangle ABC, in triangle, right? Exactly like this. That is okay, no problem. Dwayne. Okay, that's no problem. Okay. Right. In triangle ABC, angle A 90 degree. Angle A 90 degree. Next line, AL perpendicular to BC. 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 Then to prove angle 1 equal to angle 3. To prove angle 1 equal to angle 3. Okay. Next line, proof. I'm giving note now. Listen. Proof. Right. Angle BAC 90 degree. Angle BAC 90 degree. Angle BAC 90 degree given. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 90. Angle 1 plus angle 2 90. Angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90. Call it number 1. Then in triangle ALC, in triangle ALC, in triangle ALC, angle ALC 90 degree, ALC 90 degree, ALC 90 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 3 90, 2 plus 3 90. Bracket right, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle. Then now your doubt, Nidir, the same doubt you asked me last class also. 360 how equal? 90 here, 90 here. We can make it equal. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 3. 2 same cancelled. So we got angle 1 equal to angle 3. Clear now? Last line, look, Pranav. Angle 1 plus angle 2 90 degree, 1. Angle 2 plus angle 3 90 degree, 2. They are equal. So angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. 2 cancel, 1 equal to 3. No, not necessary. Other angles, Priyansh, that is wrong. One angle 90, other angles will be 30. How you know? It can be 70 and 20. Correct? Right? We cannot take like that. Maybe 45, 45 each. Maybe 50 and 40. Right? Okay. We cannot prove calculation method. Okay. Very recent. You deleted now. No. How you know it is? Why you taking? How you know it is 90 by 2? It's not a bisector, Vidya. Who said it is AL is a bisector? Vidya, come on. Don't take it unnecessary data. He had not given AL is not a AL is a bisector, right? Okay, you log in again. Hello, here Vidya, listen here. It's totally wrong. You said 1 equal to 2. How? 1 plus 2 90 agreed, but 1 plus 2 not 1 equal to 2. No, correct or no? It's not a bisector. If the question is given the bisector, okay, you can apply it. It's not a bisector. It can be here 20 and 70, 30 and 60, 50 and 40, 10 and 80, like that. It's totally wrong. Cancel it, okay? So anyone doing any other method, send me and confirm it. Okay? So it is quite easy now. Look at here. Angle 1 plus 2, 90. Because given. 2 plus 3, 90. This is 90. So 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 3. Okay? So, okay, next question. Clear now? Okay, so next question. Okay. Right. In figure, TQ and TR. Next question. In figure, TQ and TR. In figure, TQ and TR are bisectors of angle Q and R respectively. In figure, TQ and TR. In figure, TQ and TR are the bisectors of in figure TQ in figure TQ and TR in figure TQ and TR are the bisectors of angle Q and R respectively. If angle QPR 80, this angle 80, QPR 80. PRT, PRT. This angle 30. Okay. Find angle TQR. This angle you have to find out. TQR and QTR. QTR. This angle. These two angles we have to find out. Okay. Question again. I'll read the question. Listen here. Okay. Look. In figure. Listen. In figure. TQ. In figure TQ and TR. In figure TQ and TR are the bisectors of angle Q and R respectively. The bisectors of angle Q and angle R respectively. The bisectors of angle Q. This type only now. Forget about that. Angle Q and angle R respectively. If angle QPR 80 degree, angle QPR 80, QPR 80 and PRT 30, PRT 30. Find angle TQR, find angle TQR and QTR, QTR. Okay. Affirm. Okay now? Is it okay now? Clear? Okay, try now. Okay. Q how much? I don't know. Q not given, no. Then why you bother it? Okay, if you finish, you'll get TQR 20, TQR 20, and QTR 130, QTR 130. Okay, finish it first. Last class, same question we did. Your our coordinator saying. Okay. Advait, now you can hear. Advait, can hear me now? Okay. So last class same. Last class, Priyansh, check the last class note. We did the same question with same correct once we right. Last class we did same question with a different number. Check it now. Okay. I'm not going to explain this one. Okay. I just changed the book from last class. I did it from Oswald. Now I'm doing with the R.D. Sharma. That's all different. Okay. That's why it's repeated. Question number 61. Yes. Check question number 61. Okay, finish. Yeah, okay, that is okay. No problem. Look at here, this is 80. This is also 30. The bisector. So 80, 60, 140. Then this will be how much? 40. Here 20. Okay. Then this also 20. Then what? 20 plus 30, 50. This is 130. Clear now? Okay. So next question. Is it okay now? Next one, star question. Okay. Next one, star one. Right. In figure, similar one we did. So you try yourself. Okay. In figure, M and N, in figure M and N are two plane mirrors. M and N are two plane mirrors. M and N are two plane mirrors. Okay. Perpendicular to each other. This is mirror 1, mirror 2 are perpendicular to each other. Show that the incident ray CA, the incident ray CA is parallel to the reflected ray BD. Is parallel to the reflected ray BD. BD. This line parallel to this one. That you have to show. Okay. We did one question. Okay, listen, Hassan, listen here. Figure is there. Look, M and N. Look, M and N are two plane mirrors. M and N are M and N are two plane mirrors perpendicular to each other. Mirror 1, mirror 2, this angle 90 degrees. Show that CA parallel to BD. CA parallel to BD. CA parallel to BD. Can you try it? Because we did one question. Which question we did? Similar one. Similar one question we did. Anyone remember or not? That is what, that mirrors what? Parallel mirrors. Correct or no? So now here perpendicular mirrors. Okay, try now this one. Okay, question, Shilas, listen here. We have to find M and N. M and N are two perpendicular mirrors. Okay. Show that CA parallel to BD. That's the question. CA parallel to BD. You did one question with the parallel mirrors. That is a radar question. Now this is an extra question. Okay. Okay, try now. What is the confusion? Hey, answer. Wait. I'll show you. First, you try. Okay, because we are over 60 questions this chapter. I'll explain to you. That's no problem. But try first. You show that. I'll give a hint. This angle plus this angle 180, then AC parallel to BD. Hint is okay. Angle CAB plus ABD 180, then lines are parallel. You just try rough work only. I'll give the note full. Okay. 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 Wait. Just wait. I'll give the note. Okay. I'll explain it. Let's try first. Okay. Wait. Okay, so look at here now. Now listen, I'll show now. Look at here. Hello, look at here now. Don't write anything, just listen here. Don't type anything, just listen here. I'll give the complete note. Look, first of all, draw a line perpendicular here. Okay, this is perpendicular. Draw OA perpendicular to N, OB perpendicular to M. They are called what? Normal. Okay. Now, what we did? Draw OA perpendicular to mirror N, OB perpendicular to mirror M. Listen. Now, this angle 90, correct? By construction. This 90, construction. This 90. What about this angle? Angle O how much? Angle O how much? 90. Why? It's a quadrilateral, correct or not? 90, 90, 90, it's 90. Okay, clear now. After that, not opposite angles, quadrilateral, okay. Then, or we can say, maybe you can understand what I'm saying. Perpendiculars to the perpendicular lines are also perpendicular. You got perpendiculars to the perpendicular lines are also perpendicular. Look, suppose here this angle perpendicular. When you draw perpendicular, this angle perpendicular. When you draw perpendicular, this also perpendicular. Perpendiculars to the perpendicular lines are also perpendicular. So no need to specify that. We will go. I'll give the note. Don't write now. Okay. So we got this angle 90. Okay. Now this is x. This also x. Why? Sorry. This also x. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Correct. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Similarly, this is y. This also y. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Now, look at here. In triangle OAB. In triangle OAB, how much is one? 90. What about x plus y? X plus y 90. Correct or no? Doubling. 2x plus 2y equal to 180. 2x means CAB plus ABD 180. Therefore, parallel. Okay. Now I'll give the details note. Okay. Right. I'll give the note. Everyone write like this. Okay. Right. Construction. Right. Construction. Draw OA perpendicular to mirror N. OA perpendicular to mirror N. And OB perpendicular to mirror M. OB perpendicular to mirror M. Okay. Then to prove AB parallel to BD. To prove AB parallel to BD. Okay. Next, proof. Right. Proof. Are you okay? Follow no? You can follow or not? Up to here okay or not? Hello? Up to here okay or not? Respond. Okay. Right. Proof writing. OA perpendicular to N. OA perpendicular to N. Bracket by construction. Next. OB perpendicular to M by construction. Hey, you didn't get it. I'm giving the note now. Listen. Just one line only started. OA perpendicular to N. In that, what you have to understand? Asma. OA perpendicular to N. That's only. OA perpendicular to N by construction. Then what? I'm starting now. You listen. You follow the note, then we'll come to know. Okay. Then ask me. OA perpendicular to N by construction. Next line. OB perpendicular to M by consection. Okay. Then in quadrilateral O A, we can give one name P. O A P B, O A P B, O A P B. Okay. Angle A 90 degree. Angle A, angle P, angle B 90 degree. Right, like that. Angle A equal to angle P equal to angle B 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB 90. Angle AOB 90. AOB 90. Bracket, right? Angle some property of a quadrilateral. 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 Up to here, okay or not? Next, up to here, everyone okay? Okay. What? Repeat, Parshini. I said what? OA perpendicular to mirror N. OB perpendicular to mirror M. Then in quadrilateral OA PB, angle A equal to angle P equal to angle B 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB 90 degree. Up to here, okay or not? Tell me now. Okay. Listen, just wait. Instead of that, we can write, if you are okay, OA perpendicular to N, OB perpendicular to M, therefore angle AOB 90 degree. Directly you can write, but reason what? Perpendiculars to the perpendicular lines are also perpendicular. If you are writing that, otherwise you follow the previous method. Okay. Now listen here. Right. Start now. Angle CAO. Angle CAO equal to angle OAB. Angle CAO equal to angle OAB. CAO equal to OAB. Bracket. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence CAO equal to OAB. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Let angle CAO equal to angle OAB equal to X. You mark it X here. CAO equal to OAB equal to X. Okay. Up to here, finish or not? Hello, finish up to here. Okay. Similarly, right? Similarly, angle ABO equal to angle OBD equal to Y. ABO equal to angle OBD equal to Y. Okay. Anyone have doubt up to here? Okay. Is it okay now? Next line. Right. In triangle BOA or AOB. In triangle AOB. In triangle AOB. In triangle AOB. Angle AOB 90 degree. Okay. In triangle AOB. In triangle AOB. Angle AOB 90 proved. Bracket proved. AOB 90 degree, bracket right, proved. Then, hence, angle x plus angle y, x plus y equal to 90 degree, x plus y equal to 90 degree. Bracket, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle, angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, clear now? Then next line, 2x plus 2y equal to 180. AOB 90 degree, it is proved, right? Proved. It's 90 proved. Okay, then 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2y equal to 180 degree. 2x plus 2y equal to 180 degree. Just multiply by 2. Okay, last line. Therefore, angle CAB, CAB plus angle ABD 180 degree. CAB plus CAB plus ABD 180 degree. Okay. Last line. Since the co-interior angles are supplementary, since the co-interior angles CAB and BAD, since the co-interior angles CAB and ABD are supplementary, AB parallel BD, AB parallel BD. Sorry, CA parallel to BD. Yeah, correct. CA parallel to BD. CA parallel to BD. C, since the co-interior angles, CAB and ABD are supplementary, CA parallel to BD, CA parallel to BD. Okay, clear now? Now you go through the note, tell me then after that. Okay, everyone read the question, check the figure, go through it. Okay, don't just ask me before reading. Okay. Okay. What picture? What do you want? The picture what? Hello? Nirmit, picture is already here, no? Then what picture you want? Okay, check it now. Okay, listen. My question now. Look at how many bracket there is. Reason. It is a formal question. How many bracket there is? Check how many reasons you wrote. 6. So 6 bracket there is. Even though your answer is correct, if no brackets reason, 3 marks will cut it. So you'll get 1 mark. Out of 4, you'll get 1 mark only. This much time around 10 minutes you spend, you'll get only 1. Better than don't answer this one. That means reason is very important thing. Clear now? Every reason half mark will cut. Okay. So next question. Next one also little tough question. Okay, now all tough questions only. Right. Are you ready? Ready now? Hello, ready or not? This one finished. So make sure one question parallel mirror, second one is perpendicular mirror. One is chance there is either parallel or perpendicular. If anyone want to check this one, check it now. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, no problem. I'll explain this one. Okay. Okay, listen here. Look at here. I'll show this question again. Okay, because very important question. Look, I'll draw another figure. Look at here. This is the mirror M. This is the mirror N. O here. Oh no, P. We did P. Okay. Then one ray here. CA, one ray. It is reflect to here. This way. Okay. B. This will go to here. D. Okay. You can do this in physics, in physics light chapter. We can do this experiment. Okay. You keep the one mirror here, another mirror here, and we have some object there that will go like this. Okay. You did 8. Okay. Now look at here. First of all, you draw a perpendicular to here and perpendicular here. This is 90 perpendicular. This is 90 perpendicular. Okay. That's called normal. Okay. Then in quadrilateral OAPB, OAPB. This angle 90, our construction. This is 90 construction. This 90 given. So this is 90. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay. Now, this is the bisector. And x here, x here. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Similarly, y here, y here. Okay. Now, in triangle AOB, this angle already 90. So x plus y 90. X plus y 90. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral, sorry, triangle. 2x plus 2y equal to 180. 2x means this one plus this one is 180. Hence, the coincident angles are supplementary, the lines are parallel. Now clear? So, okay now? Okay, so next question. Next one also difficult question, right? The side AB, right? The sides AB, the sides AB and AC. The sides AB, the sides AB and AC. The sides AB and AC of triangle ABC, of triangle ABC. A side AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to P and Q. Okay. If the bisectors of angle PBC and QCB intersect at O. Bisectors of PBC and QBC intersect at O. Prove that angle BOC equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. Question again, I'll read. The sides AB and AC of triangle ABC produced to P and Q respectively. If the bisectors of angle PBC and QCB intersect at O. Prove that angle BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus angle A by 2. 90 minus angle A by 2. Okay. Similar one question we did. Can you find that question? Similar one question we did. It is internally, inside, right? 90 plus A by 2. Question already here. Listen. Nicely, listen. AB and AC extended. AB and AC extended. Then BO, the bisector of angle PBC. CO, the bisector of angle BCQ. Prove that this one, BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay, you try yourself. Okay. If you're not sure, just try rough. Okay, I'll give the note this one. Okay. Question again. Okay, look at here. The side AB, the side AB and AC, the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are produced to P and Q respectively. Are produced to P and Q respectively. The bisectors of angle, PBC and QCB, PBC and QCB intersect at O. PBC and QCB intersect at O. Then angle BOC, equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. Okay, try now. If not getting, I'll show. Okay. You can refer the similar question, but that is internal. Okay, I'll show this one. Okay. No, 90 minus a by 2. Okay. Okay, so I'll check now. Look at here now. Hello. Look. Listen here. I'll give the note. Don't write now. So B was a bisector. So this is X. This is also X. This is Y. This is also Y. Okay. Now look at here. This is how much? 180 minus 2x. Correct or no? Because this is X, 2x. This is 180 minus 2x. This one 180 minus 2y. 180 minus 2x and 180 minus 2y. Then look, angle A. Now don't write now. In triangle, I'll give a full note. In triangle ABC, A plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y equal to 180, right? Okay or not? You cannot see that. Okay, look. A plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y equal to 180. Angle sum property of a triangle. Ah, okay. Why you ask 180 minus 2x? This is how much? PBC how much? Pranav. PBC how much? Come on, man. Pranav, answer. PBC. Angle PBC how much? PBC 180. Check, man. PBC. PBC how much? How much that? Answer. PBC. Pranav, you cannot see the figure. You cannot see the picture. In the picture you cannot see. PBC how much? This guy is sleeping, I think. One said 180, now telling 360. You cannot see, then okay, you leave it now. Okay. Why hey, rest all guys can see the picture or not? You cannot, Pranav, you cannot see the picture, then why, how you are answering then? Hello? You cannot see the picture, then why you are answering now? You just telling, you are fooling me, 180, 360 and all? No, I'm asking you whether you can see the picture or not. What now? What now you can see or not? Before what? Okay, listen. Everyone can see the picture or not? Look at here. Hello, Pranav. Answer me my question. Hello, Pranav. Hey, hello, Pranav. I'm asking you. First, you said you cannot see the picture. Why? Okay, I agreed. You didn't see the picture. Then, what basis you said? First 180, then 360. What basis? You answer this question. Otherwise, I'll remove from you now. Okay. Answer first. I don't want like a sleepy guy here. Okay. Tell me now. I'll wait. 317. 317. See, everybody is waiting for your answer. What do you understand? You're telling me a picture. I'm asking you the picture, picture only. I didn't ask you any question. I ask you whether you can see the picture or not. My question is, then what? Then why you said you cannot see the picture? Okay, you said you cannot understand. Okay, why? What basis he said 180? What basis said 360? If you're not understanding, you can see. No, I didn't ask you any question, right? I didn't ask you any question. I just asked you what? Can see the picture or not? Then you said I can see the picture. You said 180. You said 360. Okay. You go and sleep now today. Okay. Don't continue today. Okay. Hello. You go and sleep. Okay. Leave it now. Today's leave it now. Okay. Hello, you go and sleep. You tired man. Okay, go on now. Otherwise, I'll remove now. Okay. And I'll send you the video that you check it after sleep. Okay. Don't sleep and sit. Okay. Okay. Listen here. Mike, I didn't ask you any question. Correct or no? My question was very clear whether you can see the picture. Then he said, first he said 180 degree, then 360 degree. Finally, he said, I can see the picture. My question is, just look at the picture. Then what angle? PBC, how much? How much PBC? 2x. Look at here, 2x. Correct or no? Because the picture is there, x, 2x. Okay. So, PBC plus ABC, how much? PBC plus ABC, how much? 180. Why? Linear pairs. Correct or no? But linear pairs. Therefore, this is 180 minus 2x. Correct or no? This one 180 minus 2x. Are you okay or not? Hello? You respond. Then similarly, ACB 180 minus 2y. ACB 180 minus 2y. Agree or no? ACB 180 minus 2y. Agree or no? Okay. After that, look at here. In triangle ABC, look, in triangle ABC, A plus ABC plus ACB equal to 180. A plus ABC plus ACB 180. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. A plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y equal to 180. Agree or no? A plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y equal to 180. Okay. So 180 can listen here now. 180 cancel. Angle A plus 180 equal to 2x plus 2y. Agree. A plus 180 equal to 2x going that side, 2y going that side. Therefore, x plus y equal to a by 2 plus 90 divided by 2. X plus y equal to a by 2 plus 90. Agree or not? Up to here, okay? It is lengthy question, okay? Okay. Okay, I'll give a note. Then, Aditi, listen, I'll give a note. Then you can read it. Still not getting, I'll explain it. Okay, right. Right, given a triangle ABC, given a triangle ABC, details not I'll give you so you can understand that. Given a triangle ABC in which sides AB and AC, sides AB and AC, a triangle ABC in which sides AB and AC are produced to P and Q. Okay, next line, continue. The bisectors of angle PBC, the bisectors of angle PBC and QCB, the bisectors of angle PBC and QCB intersect at O. The bisectors of angle PBC and QCB intersect at O. Okay, this is not clear or not? Check the not clear or not. Okay, now to prove, next line, to prove angle BOC, to prove angle BOC equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. Angle BOC equal to 90 minus angle A by 2. Okay. You did the figure now, right? You have the figure with you, right? Okay. Aditi, now I gave the given, what you have to prove, that is finished. Okay. Advait, okay or not? Okay. So Tejas, are you okay? No, right. Now we write proof. BO is the proof, right? BO is the bisector of BO is the bisector of angle PBC. BO is the bisector of angle PBC. Bracket given. PBC given. Then let angle PBO equal to CBO equal to X. PBO equal to CBO equal to X. Angle PBO equal to angle CBO equal to X. Similarly, angle QCO equal to BCO equal to Y. QCO equal to BCO equal to Y. Okay. You mark it XX here. Okay. Then after that, next line. Angle PBC. Angle PBC plus angle ABC 180 degree. PBC plus angle ABC 180 degree. Bracket linear pairs. Linear pairs. Don't write LP. What liquid petroleum? Angle PBC plus angle ABC 180 degree. Linear pairs. Okay. Therefore, angle ABC 180 minus 2x. Why? Here is 2x, here is 180 minus 2x. That part clear or not? If it is here 30, you have 180 minus 30. 180 minus 2x. Okay. Similarly, angle ACB 180 minus 2y. ACB 180 minus 2y. 180 minus 2y. Okay. Then after that, next line. In triangle ABC, ABC angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB 180 degree. Angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Listen, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle ABC plus angle ACB 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Okay. Then angle A plus 180 minus 2x, 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y equal to 180. Okay, 180 cancel. A plus 180, keep it here. A plus 180 minus 2x minus 2x going that side. 2x plus 2y. A plus 180 equal to 2x plus 2y. Therefore, x plus y, a by 2 plus 90. X plus y equal to a by 2 plus 90. X plus y equal to a by 2 plus 90. This is the first phase of the question. Okay. Check now all. Make sure all up to here. Then only you can start next part. Make sure up to here. Read the note. Check with the figure and tell me. Okay. Up to here, okay or not? Then only I can start next part. What is the last, Aditi? Where you reach? What is the last sentence he said? Hello. Where you reach? You got up to here. X plus y equal to a by 2 plus 90. Similarly, angle ACB. Yeah, similarly, angle ACB 180 minus. Okay, similarly, ACB 180 minus 2y. Okay, after that, in triangle ABC, A plus ABC plus ACB equal to 180. A plus angle ABC plus ACB 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. So A plus 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y equal to 180. 180 cancel. A plus 180 equal to 2x plus 2y. X plus y equal to a by 2 plus 90. A by 2 plus 90. Clear now? So you reach here, right? Okay, now look at here. Now the last line. Look at here. In triangle BOC, x plus y plus BOC, how much? 180, right? X plus y plus angle BOC 180. But look, x plus y plus BOC equal to 180. Right? So x plus y, how much? A by 2 plus 90 plus BOC equal to 180. So BOC how much? All going that side. 180 minus 90 minus A by 2. So 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Okay. Copy now. In triangle BOC, x plus y plus BOC equal to 180. So A by 2 plus 90 plus BOC equal to 180. BOC equal to 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Try now. So now just go through again, just go through the note because it's very lengthy one, this one. Okay. Is it okay, clear now? So it will take this type 2 question is that is very important question. Okay. Okay. So finish one more question only today. Okay. Okay. Complete this one. Complete this. I told you now test portion is Saturday, Monday and Wednesday, three classes. Okay. Okay. Yes, sure. Okay. Next question. Listen here. Next question, right? This is the doubt question from one student. Okay, Aditya. Okay, right. In figure, right. In figure, AB parallel CD. In figure, AB parallel CD, parallel EF. AB A, B, C, D, E, F. AB parallel CD parallel EF and PQ parallel RS. PQ, okay, like this. PQ parallel RS. P, Q, RS. So which are the parallel line? This is parallel, this is parallel, this is parallel, and this also parallel. Okay. Then angle RQD, RQD. This is 25 degree. Angle Q, angle CQP. This one 60. Find angle QRS. This angle we have to find out. Find angle QRS. Find angle QRS. Find angle QRS. Aditya, you asked this question, right or no? Your doubt. Okay, so draw figure. Exactly draw figure. Okay. Question here, look. AB parallel CD parallel EF. Okay. PQ parallel to RS. See the arrow. This line parallel there. This angle is 25. This is 60. Find angle QRS. Find angle QRS. Find angle QRS. Okay. Now look at here. I'll show this one. Come on. Question clear now? You draw figure. Once again, AB. Look. AB parallel to CD. Parallel to EF. PQ parallel to RS. Okay. Come on. Listen here. There is a chota construction. Extend this one. Like this. So this is line parallel here. When you draw correct parallel line, okay, this is not exact parallel. Okay, this is 25. This is also 25. Why? AB parallel to CD. So this 25, this 25 means alternate angles. Okay. CD parallel to EF. So this is 60. Alternate angles. Okay, these lines are parallel. So we make it parallel line. Okay. Okay. So this is 120. Co-interior angles. This 120, this also 120. Co-interior angle. This also 120. The total how much? 145. 140. Yeah, 145. Are you okay? Once again, look at here. I'll tell you the note. Extend SR. Not extend. Produce SR to intersect EF at, you can give X, here Y. Okay. Just produced. Okay. Then here 60, here right. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD given. AB parallel to CD given. Therefore, angle ARQ equal to angle RQY 25. ARQ equal to RQY equal to 25. Alternate angles. Then CD parallel to EF. CD parallel to EF given. Therefore, angle CQP. CQP equal to angle QPX 60. CQP equal to CQP equal to QPX equal to 60. Alternate angles. Okay. Then PQ parallel to XY. PQ parallel to XY given. Therefore, angle P plus angle P, angle QPX, angle QPX plus PXY 180 degree. QPX plus PXY equal to 180. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Hence, PXY equal to 120. PXY equal to 120. Okay. Therefore, angle QIR, therefore angle QIR equal to angle ARS equal to 120. Corresponding angles 120, 120, 120. Okay. Hence, QRS equal to 145. QRS equal to 145. Aditya, okay? Hello, Aditya. Is it okay or not? Okay. So this is enough today. Okay. The test based on Saturday, Monday, and Wednesday. Okay.